Good morning, Bachman Middle School. Today is Wednesday, April 12th. It is a B day. It is a band day 2. And I am Mr. Strand with today's Tiger Talk. First up, it's time for our word of the week. This week's word is arbitrary. Arbitrary means a decision that has been made randomly for no reason or with no plan. I am arbitrarily standing outside today because I made this decision just now. But one thing about being outside that is not arbitrary is the decision to come outside for recess. Here is Mrs. Cray to remind you of the rules and expectations for outdoor recess.
Good morning, Bachman. I'm here to talk a little bit about outdoor recess today. With the temperatures being warm enough to go outside, we will be outside for recess today, and we will let you know if that changes. But as of right now, it looks like we will be able to be outside for the rest of this week. Please make sure you are signing up in Flex Scheduler, that you are doing lunch first or recess first. If you are doing lunch first, you will please stay in the lunchroom until the time that you are normally dismissed to switch to the gyms. It's going to be the same thing. You have to clean your table area. A supervisor will look it over, and then the supervisor will be dismissing you through door 20 right here. So make sure you're not crowding the door. Make sure you're staying at the tables. And then when that time is ready, you will get to go out the door, and we will have you be outside for recess. So as you come outside, we need to make sure that we are taking care of our equipment. It is open space for you to use, but there are going to be some limitations. We ask that you stay in the outdoor area here where the sidewalks are. You will be able to use the kickball field, but you cannot go past the outfield of the kickball. You will be able to use the parking space that is underneath the basketball hoops. So there are 2 basketball hoops that you can use. Please make sure you are not going past where the cars are. So we need to stay away from cars and stay out of this area of the parking lot. You can only use the parking area under the basketball hoops. And then you have all of this space and this open grass area for football, other activities, but you are not allowed to go past the tennis courts. So the far sidewalk next to the tennis courts is another boundary. All of those evergreen trees all the way down are off limits. So you cannot go past that sidewalk, and you must stay in this area. Each grade level has your equipment, so you will need to put the equipment back into the bin after you switch. So if you are outside recess first, you will come out of doors 21, come directly outside, and then you will be let inside of those doors. Please do not go inside until the outdoor lunchroom supervisor lets you inside. After every switch, you need to return all of the equipment. Do not leave it out in the field, making sure that if you're using it, you're putting it back. Each grade level has your own equipment, so if it goes on the roof, if you lose it, you will not get any replacements. So please take care of your own grade level equipment. Please be respectful. Please make sure you're keeping your hands to yourself and you are making smart choices as you enjoy the outside weather. And listen to your supervisors. Thank you. Have so much fun today.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Cray. That's all for today. We'll be back tomorrow with more Tiger Talk. See you then.